Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short stories of Maulana Hazar Imam and Imam Hasan Ali Shah. In 1983, one lady brought her daughter on a wheelchair before Hazar Imam in Nairobi and said, Maula, she faces devilish, jinnati effect. The Imam said, first you remove amulet, taweez, from the neck of your daughter. She at once removed and apologized. The Imam told her daughter, look at me. She didn't reply, to which the Imam emphasized, my daughter, I said, look at me. She slowly looked the Imam with fixed eyes. The Imam blessed her and she in front of the Imam raised up from the wheelchair and walked and felt quite well. Story 2. Once Wazir Ismail Ganji asked Imam Agha Ali Shah, Maula, how the light creates in the heart of the Mu'min. The Imam said, if one takes out his hand upon the world, the light will appear in his heart. The Imam then quoted following story. Abu Zar Ghaffari was a Mu'min. He always spoke truth. Once the infidels of the Mecca followed the Prophet. Abu Zar Ghaffari hid him in his robe and stood before them. They asked him, where is Muhammad? On that juncture, Abu Zar told them truth, that he is in my robe. They speculated that Abu Zar Ghaffari was joking and went ahead. The Prophet felicitated and told him, O Abu Zar, you have spoken true in his critical time. He said, O Apostle, you are Sadiq, voracious of your word, and so in your words. Then why I should lie? The Prophet said, you spoke true, which resulted my rescue, and even you was not harmed. If you have lied, they must have arrested me, and might have caused injury to you as well.